Hi guys, I miss a lot of you guys because I haven't updating you in a while because it's 1 year in a month. 2 years I haven't online you guys, but I have a new desk in our kitchen, but that's okay if even I had to get a new have this I'm conscious, so I will saving up, so I will update you guys when I go to school and it's afternoon and I'm going to place my money in here. So who knows Tagalog? Cause I'm Tagalog. So I have my mini crafting here. This is just a lot of stuff. I have a beanie. Okay, I love it so much. Guys, kung di nakakaintindihan ng Tagalog, magpaano na lang kayo sa ibang tao. Pinsan, ganon, pamangkin. But anyways guys, wala akong spray pero I will keep updating kasi wala na kasi akong guys, parang dahil hindi na ako nag-update sa inyo guys. I forgot about my YouTube channel and I miss you so much guys. Alam nyo guys, namimiss ko na kayo for years and I haven't, kahit napadaan lang kayo, okay lang, o kaya basher, okay lang sa akin. Hindi naman ako iyak. Pag may basher, hindi talaga ako naiyak. Sorry madilim dito kasi hindi ako nag-open ng live. May light dun sa sala namin. Ayan. So, this is my desk. Ang laki niya, pero ito lang yung, mga gamit ko, guys. Diba? So, ganito lang. So, bye-bye!